How to sell products in Instagram app? Follow this guide. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and head straight to your profile. Before you begin, make sure your account is set to professional as the product tagging feature is only available there. After that, tap the plus icon at the top and from the menu, select post to start creating your product post. Next, choose a photo of a product you want to sell. After selecting the image, hit next at the top right corner. Now write a caption to describe your product. After that, scroll down and tap on more option. Then select add product details. You're in the title section. Enter your product name so your audience immediately knows what are you offering. Right below that, set the price of your product. Additionally, if you want, you can also change the currency and hit done. Once all the details are filled in, hit done to save your product information. Finally, tap share to publish your post. And that's all. Now you know how to sell products in Instagram app.